Hey everybody, it's Richard RMAutodiag, and what we've got here is from the Vpecker review. Everyone's been asking about a lot of different cars. The Vpecker review does have about 10 different vehicles on there. So what I've done is I'm splitting it up into 10 different videos, and I'll put them all out, one for each vehicle, so you can watch each vehicle separately. If you want to check out the review, I'll put a card above, and you can see the full review, which obviously goes through the software and everything else about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the review.
Okay, car number 3. We've got a Ford Fiesta. It's a diesel engine again, and it's a 2009. So we'll go into it, find Ford. Got the ignition on. Okay, so we got the auto, manual and hot function. We're going to go for, let's go for auto. Turn the ignition on. And yeah, it's picked it up. 1400 Duratorque diesel. And it does say that its emissions level is 4 as well. So that's handy to know. So we've got auto scan or control unit. Let's go auto. Going through pretty quick. So there we go, all done. It's gone through all the different modules. So it looks like we've got a fault with ABS, front display and instrument panel and PCM. So let's go into PCM. Okay, so we don't have anything apart from read, clear and a data list on this. Let's have a look, see what it says. And it's going through a self-check, so that works. And what we've got on this is we've got EGR, minimum stock performance. So we have got an EGR fault. Let's have a look at the data list. It's a bit quicker than the Audis. So coolant temperature, we've got a few little things here. Engine RPM, have some cylinder balance, see what it does. Okay. Yeah, so all the live data is working. Cylinder balance is one that's a little bit out there, number 2. So yeah, happy with that. Right, let's jump out of that one. Let's go into ABS, see what that one says. Again, nothing apart from read and clear. Battery voltage, so it's probably had a flat battery. Data list. Again, pretty big data list, pretty good. Let's just click on a few things. Press the brake switch. Is that for the foot? What's that? No, you don't seem to have an on and off on the brake switch there. When I put my foot on and off the brake. Let's try reverse gear, see if it gives us anything as well. No, so some of the data is not 100% on some of this. And let's go into instrument panel for the last one. So read, clear, and we've got some activate tests. Let's see what the trouble codes are. So yeah, we might actually have a fault with the brake pedal there. what we can do is we can go on to the next vehicle. I think we've checked out enough there, so let's go on to the next thing.